4-digit integer has its digits increasing from left to right. A 4-digit integer has its digits increasing from left to right. When we reverse the order of the digits, we obtain a 4-digit integer whose digits decrease from left to right. A third 4-digit integer uses exactly the same digits but in a different order. The sum of the three integers is 26,352. What is the value of the smallest of the three integers? So the solution here, we can let the original integer be ABCD, such that A is less than B, which is less than C, which is less than D. So now we know one of the other numbers would be DCBA. So that would mean ABCD plus DCBA plus another number, let's label it Y, that would equal 26,352. Here, Y would be a 4-digit integer, and we can note that because in the original integer, the first one, D must be at least 3 larger than A, so we can think of D as greater or equal to A plus 3. And in the same way, what we can conclude is that A must be less than or equal to 6, because if it was 7, we couldn't have a digit which is 3 more than 7, because the highest single digit would be 9. So therefore we can conclude that A is less than or equal to 6. And so the highest number that Y could be would be 9876. So Y would be less than or equal to 9876. And now we can just subtract that 9876 from the 26352. And if you did that, you'd get ABCD plus DCBA is greater or equal to 16476. If A is less than or equal to 5, then ABCD would have to be less than 6,000, because the highest digit would be 5. And so DCBA would have to be greater than 10,476 if that were the case. But that's obviously not possible because it's a 4-digit number. A 4-digit number cannot exceed 10,000. So therefore we can conclude A must be 6. We knew that A was less than or equal to 6, but now we know it cannot be less than or equal to 5. So A must therefore be 6. And if it's 6, then we can conclude that from the rule in the question, we know that this number is, one of the integers is going to be ascending, ABCD. So ABCD must be 6, 7, 8, 9. And hence, DCBA must be 9876. From there, we can work out Y. And what we can do is 26,352 equals 6,789 plus 9876 to get plus Y. And that would mean Y would equal 9687. And the question asked, what is the smallest of the three integers? The smallest of the three integers would be 6789. This was a fairly lengthy and confusing problem. If you have any questions about this, make sure to leave them down in the comments below. If you have any video ideas or suggestions, also leave them down below.